Hello everyone, my name is Catherine Landreva and I'm a Chief Operating Officer, and today I'm going to share with you our last news from Dodo.uk startup and plans and results. Let's start from the Leamington Spa store performance. As you can see on the screen, during the last couple of months, sales were slightly decreased, as well as the number of new customers. There are two main reasons for it, basically. The first one is that lots of people after a long lockdown now are able to go to vacation. And the second one is that lots of students who usually live in Leamington, they went out for their summer holidays. And we knew that they will come back, and we prepared a great marketing push for a student audience. Actually, it was a great combination of digital tools and offline tools, and we managed offline distribution not just in the store, near the store, but also in student campuses. So numbers are following. More than 5,000 welcome packs went to student properties, and you can see the example of the pack on the screen. That's the welcome letter, leaflet, student card, and welcome lemonade, welcome drink for our students. More than 1,500 student cards were distributed on Unipatis. So actually our team went to the club and we're staying in the queue with students, and we're talking about Dodo Pizza and we're spreading our Dodo cards. Also 7,000 leaflets distributed on campus in a town center, and we received 4 large society orders. And I want to share with you a bit more about the biggest one, the Warwick University order. We received order for 150 pizzas, and I want to say a big thanks to our operational team because they make it happen. They prepared 150 pizzas and they also delivered them to the Warwick University campus. As you can see on the screen, more than 200 people tried our pizza. They received our welcome pack with the student cards with a great offer for their future purchases. We're pretty sure that most of them will become our loyal customers very soon. And watching on the weekly sales chart, you can see that last weeks are much better than previous summer weeks and September weeks. And the last week is actually our absolute record. We hit the maximum of our sales from the opening date. Congratulations to the team. And we are going to continue our win-back marketing. We want to focus more not on how to make people see us, but more on how to make people try us. Because we know that product and service are the key. And from our customer reviews, it's obvious that we can do it pretty good and our customers appreciate it. So we just need to make them try us, as many people as we can, and help them to create a new habit being with the Dodo Pizza. So stay tuned to be updated on our marketing activities and results. And we're moving to the production model block. It's more about the future steps and our future in general. Our team asked ourselves how to make operations more efficient. And one of the exercises which we did, it was a stress test. So what was done, we took the busiest hour for the previous time. It was 109 products, and we put just 3 people instead of 7 on the line to see what will happen. Maybe you think right now that 109 products just for a test, such a big wastage. No, it wasn't. We managed this stress test during the morning hours while pizza store is not opened yet, and our marketing team helped us to manage pizza breakfast for all the local businesses around us. And some people in Leamington became happier this day because of Dodo Pizza. So coming back to the stress test. So all the teams, menu team, marketing team, business development team, operational team, we took our stopwatches, our spreadsheets, and we started our observations and measurements to see where are our bottlenecks, what do we need to improve first. And actually that helped a lot to the team to understand clearly, for example, that the cheesing process needs to be simplified, or that we need less knives on the make line 2, for example. After the stress test, we sit together and we've had a brainstorm. So we put all our ideas, how can we simplify operations and speed up on the board. For example, if you have idea, how can we speed up with the dough bases, you can put your sticker in the column first. If you have any ideas about the cheesing station, you can put your ideas in the third column. And at the end, we understood that we have, 118 ideas. That's a great result, but it's not enough. We need to be very careful with the execution and with prioritization of all these ideas. And I want to put here a quote from our colleague, Head of Business Development, David Sweeney. As I remember, this quote sounds like that. Store like a race car has to be designed for peak hours, not for morning shifts. Productivity is very important for each business, and it's even more important for peak hours for pizza business. So we definitely will improve lots of things in this direction. Stay tuned to be updated. Let's move to the long-term projects. So the second corporate store, Cheltenham Spa store. Target launch date was scheduled for February 2022. We decided to invest more time in the layouts, in the design, and in all the paperwork. Laboratory, target launch still December 2021. The dough production and commissary center, target launch December 2021, as it was scheduled before. Actually, this project to launch laboratory, commissary center at the dough plant in the same place, it's a very complicated, it's a massive project. You need to answer a million of questions and complete hundreds of tests, and that's a massive project. For example, you need to think about what equipment do you need to purchase? How can you do that? What settings do you need to put there? How project plan should look like? What will be the most efficient flow for these particular procedures? What packaging do we need to use? What quality, what size of that for transferring? What should be our requirements for transferring all these ingredients at the door? And what should be the shelf life of ingredients? And we also need to guarantee the highest quality of ingredients on each stage. So there are lots of questions, and we now work in progress with lots of them. And so stay tuned to be updated on .uk news. Have a great week. Thank you for listening, and see you soon. Bye bye.